In order to solve these addition equations, we have to subtract the same thing from both sides of the equations. This is what we call the subtraction property of equality. I subtract the same number from both sides of the equation in order to keep it balanced. And this will be used all throughout when you solve addition equations. Let's look at example 2, which asks us to then write an equation before we solve. Ruben and Tariq have 245.5 downloaded minutes of music. If Ruben has 132 minutes, how many belong to Tariq? Write and solve an addition equation to find how many minutes belong to Tariq. The important thing to remember about writing an equation is that my equation always represents the situation as it starts out, not how you're going to solve it, but how it starts out. Also, when you write an equation, your variable can never be alone. So it can't be something like t equals 72 minus 5 or something. That's not an equation because your variable wants to be on the side of the operation. So if I look at my original situation here, it's talking about how Ruben and Tariq have 245.5 downloaded minutes of music. That means together they have that much. So I know that that's addition that's happening there. The thing that I don't know is how many minutes belong to Tariq. So that's going to be my variable. So I'm going to use t to represent that. So if I add the amount of minutes, 132, that Ruben has, plus the t minutes that Tariq has, it will equal 245.5. So that's my equation then. To solve my equation, I need to get rid of whatever's in the way of t being by itself. So I need to get rid of this positive 132. So to get rid of that, to undo it, I would subtract 32, and whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So 132 minus 132 will cancel out, and I'll be left with t on the left side of my equation equals 113.5. So Tariq has 113.5 minutes of music. Go ahead and try the guided problem below to check your understanding.